to love again, and now I'm falling in love, and now there's nothing to blame, 'cause
We
now
have here, what is it?
I find you.
And then this is the appetizer. And then that's the kare-kare right here. And that's some sort of soup. What is that, ma'am?
Something like a baka soup. Something.
Yeah, these are all Filipino food, by the way, guys.
I'm gonna work with this. Okay.